On the menu today is another form of another recipe that I've done in the past, which is hummus. In today's kicked up version of hummus, along with the tahini, the chickpeas, the lemon juice, garlic, we're gonna add a few of these babies, the avocados, salt and pepper, and for a little kick, one of my very own homegrown jalapenos. So here I have my chickpeas. First and foremost, I like to use dried chickpeas that I soak from the night before and then I boil for a bit, and it's a personal preference of mine, only because I like to kind of hold back or control the sodium intake, and a lot of the canned brands that are out there really add a lot more sodium than you actually need. So with the help of my trusty food processor, and I love these things, between my food processor and my mixer, I'd be lost. So we're gonna throw in about a cup of dried chickpeas, which is about 2 cups of the canned or the already prepared. We're gonna take 1/3 cup lemon juice, goes in just like that. We're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, and the minced garlic adds another flavor profile to this. We're gonna add 1/2 cup of tahini, little salt. I don't like to go heavy on my salt, preference of mine. 1 jalapeno, and what I do is, they're not overly hot, so I just kind of cut them into pieces with the seeds and I just throw them in. There goes that. And now the avocados. Avocados, you just slice in half like this, open them up, and remove the seed carefully. It's more of a pit than a seed. Same with this, just go around just like that. Twist, it comes off. Then you twist it off like that. I'm using 3 avocados in this recipe. They're on the smaller side. If you find the bigger ones in your area, you can use 1. And I find that if you use a tablespoon to scoop it out, it makes things a lot easier. So there's 1/2. Once all of our ingredients are in, actually for this recipe I'm going to take off my little pouring spout, just leave that here, and I'm going to start adding at this point maybe a 1/4 cup of olive oil as the lube. So I'm just going to put this on and whiz this up real quick. Now if at this point your mixture, the hummus itself, is a little too thick or not as fluid as you'd want it, feel free to add a little olive oil, a little more olive oil, another 1/2 cup, just like that, and waz it up again. So now I'm gonna grab myself a little bowl to serve this up in. Take this off, and if you notice, the color is a beautiful lime green. Our consistency is perfect. You don't want it too runny, but you don't want it too thick either. Serve these up just like that, all around, kind of family style, so everybody can kind of help themselves with this. And a little light drizzle of olive oil. And I think I'm gonna garnish this up as well with just a little bit of cayenne, and the cayenne will actually not only spice it up a little bit, but it'll add a little bit of a nice color on top of this. So there you go, that's that. This is looking good. This is looking really, really good. And I'm also going to grab a little piece of parsley, just chop it up. Actually not chop it up, but tear it up with my hands and just put it over just like that. And there you have it, my friends. Something so easy, so simple, and absolutely delicious. This can be served at the time of a get-together. It could be made in advance, pop it in the fridge, and you're good to go. This took me all but maybe not even 10 minutes. And you got a beautiful, delicious, nutritious dish that you can serve up at any party or get together. So there you have it. There's my avocado hummus. I hope you liked this video. Thumbs up if you did. Please subscribe and stay up to date with all my happenings in the kitchen. So until next time, thank you for watching. Bye for now.